Dear viewers, welcome to our channel Tamil Padikalam. Learn to read and write Tamil. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so as to receive notifications on further uploads. In this video, we shall learn a consonant special to Tamil language, Il. This is special because no other language other than Malayalam has this alphabet. Now let us see how to pronounce this correctly. The tongue is fully bent inward, the tip of the tongue touching the hard palate. This produces a sound Il. So this is, you can see the picture. The tongue is bent fully inward. The tip of the tongue touches the hard palate, that is the innermost palate, and this produces the sound Il. Repeat after me. Il.
Il.
Very good. So that is a method of pronouncing Il. There is no equivalent in English, so we use the alphabets Z and H to denote Il. So ZH means Il. Now let us practice writing Il. We first write Ma, then a cusp-like curve at the bottom, then a dot over it. So this is Il. The consonants we have learnt till now are It, Ip, M and now Il. Now they are designed in such a way that it is easy to follow the script. First we have the capital letter L, which represents it. Then an addition of a vertical line gives us if. A semi-vertical elliptical arc gives us im, and a cusp-like curve at the bottom gives us il. So we can remember them easily. First it, then if, im, and now il. Now let us look at the Uyirmai Eluthugal generated by Il. When A combines with Il, it produces the sound Ra. Il Meiyeluthu, A Uyireluthu give rise to Ra Uyirmai Eluthu. Il plus A is Ra. Similarly, A combines with Il and produces the sound Ra. Il Meiyeluthu, A Uyireluthu give Ra Uyirmai Eluthu. Il plus A is Ra. First write Ma, then a cusp-like curve at the bottom of the horizontal line. Ra. Ra. We write Ra. Then we write the Tunaikal. So Tunaikal is suffixed to Ra. So this is Ra. E combines with Il and produces sound Li. Il Uyireluthu, E Uyireluthu, Li Uyirmai Eluthu. Il plus E, Li. E combines with Il and produces sound Li. Il Meiyeluthu, E Uyireluthu, Li is Uyirmai Eluthu. Il plus E is Li. To write Li, first we write Ra, then a hook-like symbol at the top. So this is Li. Li is again Ra with a symbol ending at the circular arc is a Li. Li. U combines with Il and produces the sound Lu. Il மெய் எழுத்து, U உயிர் எழுத்து. They give Lu உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. Il plus U is Lu. U combines with Il and produces the sound Lu. Il மெய் எழுத்து, U உயிர் எழுத்து. They give Lu உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. Il plus U is Lu. For Lu, we first write Ma, extend this one downwards, then we have a semicircular arc here. So this is Lu. For Lu, we first write Lu. At the end of the semicircular arc, we have a circular ending. So this is Lu. Now similarly, consonant Il plus vowel A is the like body letter Le, உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. Il plus A is Le. Il plus I is Lai. Il plus O is Lo. Il plus O is Lo. Il plus Au is Love. For Le, we have ஒற்றை கொம்பு suffixed with Ra. So this is Le. For Le, we have இரட்டை கொம்பு suffixed with Ra. For Lo, we have ஒற்றை கொம்பு Ra suffixed with துணைக்கால். For Ro, we have இரட்டை கொம்பு, then Ra, then துணைக்கால். So this is Lo. For Lai, we have இரட்டை சுழி, then Ra. For Love, we have ஒற்றை கொம்பு La suffixed with La. Now let us look at the word Param. Pa, Ra, Im. Param. Param means fruit. Param. Now look at this word. This is Ma, Im, Pa, Ra, Im. Mambaram. Mambaram means mango fruit. Mambaram. We can learn some more words in the next video. Now let us look at the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் generated by Il. Il மெய் எழுத்து, A உயிரெழுத்து, give rise to Ra உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. Similarly, Ra, Li, Li, Lu, Lu, Le, Le, Lai, Lo, Lo, Love. So these are the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் generated by Il. Concept conceived and presented by Professor A. Muttarasu. Design and editing by my daughter Nandini Arasi. Thank you. Nandri.